Hello guys, my name is Sanjeevni Zadav. I am from GH Raisoni College of Engineering and Management, Pune. I am a student of Mechanical Engineering and I am a member of Team Pravek. So my first question is, what is a team in your thought? A team is a group of people working on a particular project by sharing and contributing his or her knowledge. The best example is sports team. If we take basketball team has individual players who each contribute towards the goals of winning a game. Thank you. My next question is, when should be considered as a team member? A person who has a knowledge of the topic related to the project in hand. Thank you. My next question is, do you feel girls are treated as equal as boys in a team? Yes, of course. Girls are treated the same way as boys. Thank you. My next question is, what kind of responsibility female participant can handle as a team member? According to my perception, a female participant should handle each and everything according to her knowledge, such as designing, management of report, etc. My next question is, fifth, what do you think, which right as a female, gender equality or women's right? I will say that it should be considered as a gender equality because both should be treated equally. Thank you. My next question is, what and all liberty you need to prove yourself as trustworthy team member? I think to prove oneself, one should have the each capability of thinking related to the topic beyond the books, but also should have the previously studied about it. Thank you. My next question is, how many female participants must be there in a team? I would say that 40 to 50 women participants should be there in a team. Thank you. My next question is, what will you do if you get a chance to be a captain? I will boldly accept the opportunity to be a captain. I will give all my team members to suggest and discuss about the new ideas and implement the best out of it. Thank you. My next question is, do you feel comfortable working with male team member? Being a team member, as far as male team members are concerned about the project and are professional, I have no problem working with them. Thank you. My next question is, have you ever got benefit of being girl at any point of time in student life and did you like it? I didn't got this type of benefit of being a girl, and I would even say that it's not of benefit of being a girl, but it should be considered and one's capability. Thank you. My next question is, have you team got benefit because of you being female and did you like it? Till date I got no such benefit of being a girl, and also there was no benefit for my team, as I already said that I believe on capability of a person. Thank you. My next question is, to whom you find sound technically and skill wise based on a gender? It totally depends on the knowledge the person carries, and also capability of knowledge can absorb. My next question is, if a girl is being dominated for being a girl in your team, what will be your stand? I can say that no one should be dominated or treated in such a way. The reason the female is in the team is all because of her capability and her knowledge. Thank you. My next question is, if you have to choose a person for soft type of work and rough type of work, who will you choose, a girl or boy? I will choose the person depending on their knowledge, capability and strength, and not based on their gender, but we can consider some I would choose the person depending on their knowledge, capability, and strength, and not based on gender. But we can consider some exceptions, like if the manufacturing type of working is too rough, then we can assign a male and a female partner. Thank you. My next question is, if any bad thing happens with you because of your team member, to whom you will blame for it, yourself or team member? So my next question is, how will you handle a situation when you need to choose a person for a single task, either a girl or boy, if both are of equal capability? It won't be best, but depending upon the task, if more needs to strain that a female won't be able to do that, I will allot a male for the task. Else I would go with first come first serve technique. Thank you. My next question is, if any bad things happens with you because of your team members, to whom will you blame for it, yourself or team member? Actually, it depends on situation. If it's because I'm careless or my team was, then it depends. Or if I'm careless, of course I will blame myself for not taking care of myself, because I can't blame my team for myself. There are there for me, I know, but still I have to take care of myself first, so my team doesn't have to worry about me, let alone the task going on. Thank you. My next question is, if you come up with an idea and everyone agrees to it, at the time of implementation, one by one your group members are fighting with genuine reasons and now only you are left, what will you do? I would like to continue with the ideas and work, as it idea is put up by me and I would like to prove myself. Thank you. My next question is, consider you all are working as a team to complete task, but to complete, if you need to work extra hours, that may be day or not, what will you do in such situation? I would like to dedicate everything to the work which is needed. So thank you.